Hey everyone, welcome to Abstract Boss. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my art prints. I did have someone request this video, and basically here is how it comes. So it comes in a package of 25 of these, 25 of these, that's black with just a nice little white inside frame, or you could choose white as well. Oops, got that one wet. And then some double-sided super thin tape, and it's acid free so it doesn't ruin pictures. And I was doing glue at first, but that was messy and crazy, so this is what I recommend. I will find the link to it and put it on my webpage, abstractboss.llc, so you guys can go and order these things because it is so nice. It fits a 5x7 photo and it's an 8x10 print, and I sell it for $10. And this is my most popular one, so that's why I'm doing a few more of these. So let's get to it. I forgot to say, it also comes with 25 of these, the sleeves. So it ends up being $1 each for 25 of the frames, 25 of the backings, and 25 of the sleeves. So yeah, really good freaking deal because everything is protected. They actually got rained on and they were totally good. So yeah.
It's important that we save your parent and I.